In the realm of technology, Apple's creations often stand out, and the iPad Pro 2nd generation is no exception. This device, a testament to Apple's innovation, seamlessly blends functionality with aesthetics. Today, we delve into this technological marvel, exploring its top features such as the powerful A10X Fusion chip, the ProMotion technology, the impeccable design, and the iOS operating system, among others. At the heart of the iPad Pro 2nd generation lies the A10X Fusion chip, a powerhouse that drives this device's performance. This chip is a 6-core CPU and 12-core GPU combo that offers a 40% faster CPU and 50% faster graphics performance compared to its predecessor. It ensures that every task, be it editing 4K video or rendering complex 3D models, runs smoothly and efficiently. Next, we have the ProMotion technology, a feature that sets the iPad Pro 2nd generation apart from its competitors. ProMotion technology doubles the refresh rate to 120 Hz, making for smoother, more responsive interaction. Whether you're scrolling through a page or playing a fast-paced game, the experience is remarkably fluid. And the best part? This technology adapts to whatever you're doing, thereby optimizing power consumption. Now let's talk about the design. The iPad Pro 2nd generation boasts a sleek, all-metal unibody construction that is both elegant and durable. It comes in two sizes, a 10.5-inch model and a 12.9-inch model, both of which are incredibly thin and lightweight. The immersive, bright, and beautiful Retina display is yet another element that enhances the overall design, making it a pleasure to use. Lastly, the operating system, iOS. The iPad Pro 2nd generation runs on iOS, which is known for its intuitive interface and robust ecosystem of apps. It also includes features like the dock, drag and drop, and the redesigned app switcher, making multitasking a breeze. Add to this the compatibility with the Apple Pencil and the Smart Keyboard, and you have a device that can truly replace your laptop. And there you have it, a rundown of the iPad Pro 2nd generation's key features. To recap, we have the powerful A10X Fusion chip that ensures smooth performance, the ProMotion technology that enhances visual interaction, the sleek design that blends aesthetics with durability, and the iOS operating system that offers an intuitive and robust user experience. All these features come together to create a device that is not just a tablet, but a tool that can handle even the most demanding tasks. Indeed, the iPad Pro 2nd generation is a testament to Apple's commitment to innovation and quality.